Hello, today I will teach you how to download and install Python 3. Okay, let's open any browser and type Z. Okay, let's go on the python.org and download. After that, open installer. And this is very important, choose this, add Python to path. Tick this and click install now. So now press disable path links limit and that's it. You can close it now. To test if we have successfully installed Python, in the search bar type Python. So here it is, open, and here is Python terminal. Now we are going to install idle, where we can code things and run our Python script. Now let's type Pycharm. Press on the first link and press download button. After that you can choose professional version or community version. In this tutorial I will use community because I think it works very well. Okay, press download and it will start to download automatically. So we have downloaded Pycharm and let's install it. Click next. Choose where to install this program. Click next. Tick this and also this. And if you want desktop shortcut, you can tick also this. And click next. Install and wait for it. So after that you can reboot now or reboot manually later. I will reboot later and click finish. So now our program is already installed and we can open it from the start menu. Here is Pycharm. Click it and wait for it to load. Click I confirm and continue. If you want to send anonymous statistics you can click that, or if you don't, just click this. So we have opened it and create a new project. Call it anything and click create. And this is our Pycharm interpreter. We can run code here. For instance, we say print and run our program. And here is our output. So if you want to learn programming, subscribe this channel and like this video. See you later.